You are a content creator, right? Let's talk about something. You show up every day on camera, in your comments, in your direct messages. But when was the last time you showed up for yourself? From the ankles down. This video is about beauty. It's about balance. And your feet, they are carrying your vision, literally. Let's talk about the importance of a pedicure for content creators. Now make sure you hang around until the end of this video. I have something I want to share with you, and you will know what it is when I get to the end. As a YouTube creator, your grind is real. You may be standing for hours filming, hunched over a desk editing, or running between gigs. And your feet, they are absorbing all of it. We talk about burnout, creative fatigue, and mental health. But physical fatigue shows up just as hard, and it starts where? At your feet. Now let's clear something up, because you are probably watching this video saying to yourself, why is this man talking about a pedicure, and what does it have to do with me being a YouTube creator? Well, pedicure isn't just polish and pampering. Now I don't get my toes polished, but I like getting a manicure. It's what you call foot care. Here's what you get from a proper pedicure. Number one, improved foot care. And that's very, very important when it comes to blood circulation, from sitting very long times, or sitting for a long time. Your worst enemy is sitting, especially as you get older, and your best friend is walking and standing. Number two, prevention of foot problems such as fungus, and also grown or ingrown nails. If you have an ingrown nail, you have foot fungus, it affects you walking normally. Sometimes I've seen people have to use a cane because they haven't realized that the problem is not with their legs, it's with their feet. Stress relief. Those foot massages release what you call serotonin, and you need to look that up. Google it, serotonin, and see how important that is to our bodies. And cleaner appearance, because even all of us as creators need grooming. You want to show your feet off, especially the females. You want to show your feet off with your open toe shoes, and even guys, in the summer when you wear sandals, you want people to see your feet. And when you're around someone, around your spouse or someone that's close to you, you take your shoes off and your feet look good, and hopefully they smell good. So what I want you to do is think of it as maintenance, not a luxury. It's maintenance. Like changing the oil in your car, or brushing your teeth, or daily bathing. These are things we do to take care of ourselves consistently and on a daily basis. Here is the deeper thought, and this one is for the men especially. We don't normalize touch, stillness, or care. Pedicures give you all three of these elements. You step into that chair, take off your shoes, and say, I deserve to rest. Very important word, rest. That's powerful, especially in a world where hustle is glamorized and rest is judged. Creators are pouring every day into videos, audiences, and platforms. And we do this all the time. Sometimes we get caught up into it and we cannot stop from producing another video. But who's refilling us, or who is refilling you? You have to take care of yourself so that you can produce many, many more content videos in the future that you can put on YouTube or any other platform of your choice. I have a question for you, and think about it. Think about this. Ever notice how your best ideas come when you are in the shower, walking, resting, or even maybe driving sometimes? Depends on what kind of music you're listening to. That's because your brain needs pause to produce any kind of video. If you want to level up your creativity, don't just buy a better camera or spend time looking for another place to record a video. Take better care of you, and everything will be all right. So here's my challenge to you. Whether you are working toward 1,000 subscribers or 1 million, book a pedicure. Sit still, breathe. Let someone pour back into you. Because if you are serious about building a brand, growing a platform, and showing up for others, it starts by showing up for yourself. Remember to look down in my description and click the link for free material for you to review. Drop me a comment and tell us how you take care of yourself before producing a video. Take care.